Hi madam, my name is Lan Xin from Btec. I would like to present my individual assignment which about to franchise or not to franchise analysis. The two retail businesses I chose are Honda Motor Company and Mazda Motor Corporation. These two companies are under automotive industry and both companies have outlets in Malaysia. Honda Motor Company founded by Mr. Soichiro Honda, and it is a company that manufactures motorcycle, automobile, engine and other components. It has built joint ventures in the world such as Honda Steel Car India Limited. Honda started to manufacture cars in 1963 and now most of the sales come from sales of automobile. Honda Malaysia has opened door in 2003 and the first car they introduced is Honda CR-V. Mazda Motor Corporation is founded by Jujiro Matsuda, which is a multinational automaker from Japan and has created joint venture with Ford Motor Company from 1974 to 2015 for the purpose of expanding its business. Its main products are four-wheel vehicles, gasoline reciprocating engine, diesel engine, automatic and manual transmission for vehicles. The main sales also come from the sales of automobile. Now I will give the situation analysis about these two businesses. The mission of Honda is maintaining a global viewpoint. We are dedicated to supplying products of the highest quality yet at a reasonable price for worldwide customer satisfaction. Mission of Mazda is, with passion, pride and speed, we actively communicate with our customers to deliver insightful automotive products and services that exceed their expectations. The current ownership of Honda and Mazda are corporation. Management alternative of Honda is according to consensus of all employees in organization, which means Honda applies decentralized structure, and Honda is led by a woman CEO, Ms. Madoka Sujo, who is professional in marketing and planning strategy, while Mazda simplifies the organization structure so the decision can be made faster through centralized structure. Mazda led by Kiyotaka Sobuda, who is the expertise director and chairman of the board. The current goods or service category of Honda are motorcycle, automobile or terrain vehicles, power equipment, engine, robot, aircraft, and mountain bike, while for Mazda are automobile, gasoline reciprocating engine, diesel engine, automatic and manual transmission for vehicles. The service category of both Honda and Mazda are repair service and maintenance service. So analysis of these two businesses. The strength of Honda is excellent in manufacturing engines since it is the largest manufacturer engine in the world and able to produce high durability engine. Then it has variety type of product portfolio. Honda operates four businesses which are automobile, motorcycle, power product, and financial service to generate more revenue. The strength of Mazda is it is the manufacturer for one-car engine. This engine able to provide high power. Then the field of Mazda was efficiency because Mazda used Sky Active technology to create environmental benefit via fuel efficiency. The weakness of Honda is most of the revenue are dependent on North America. Therefore, any negative changes of North America will affect the revenue of Honda. Then, Honda invests low amount in research and development, which means less innovative product will be produced. The weakness of Mazda is does not have good global position and does not invest more in promotion activities, cause the customer face difficulties to remember this brand. The opportunity of Honda is increasing government regulation. There are many countries advocate to reduce greenhouse gases and using fuel efficiency initiative. So Honda can introduce the environmental friendly car model that running by hydrogen fuel cell. Next is customers increase their expectation of the timing and frequent in releasing new model. Honda able to release new model more frequent compared to other companies. The opportunity of Mazda is targeting Asian market because Mazda has low variety of product compared to Honda, so it may suitable Asian market that does not have high living standard. Then the emerging of new technologies is the opportunity of Mazda. Mazda can apply emerging technology to against competitors to get a strong position. The threat of Honda is increasing competition. This causes Honda grow slowly due to increasing China manufacturer. Rising of Japanese yen exchange rate also threat to Honda because Honda gain revenue from other countries, so the profit will decrease if Japanese yen keep rising. The threat of Mazda is also the strong competition nowadays. Mazda need to put more effort to against its competitor and avoid itself lose market share. Then increased cost of fuel and other raw material cause Mazda need to ensure low cost in manufacturing. Now I will describe business model and characteristics of each retail. The business model of Honda and Mazda are brick and mortar. Honda allow customer to pre-booking the new car through online since 2020, and Mazda allow customer shopping through Mazda digital showroom and make online purchase via explore payment option on Mazda page. But of course, both companies have their own physical store. Besides that, franchising also one of their business model. Honda chose franchise to expand its company while Mazda chose franchise to strengthen its position. Honda has 98 outlets while Mazda has 85 outlets in Malaysia. The employees hired by Honda in 2021 are 211,374, while Mazda hired 49,785 employees in 2021. Headquarters of Honda at Minato City, Tokyo, Japan, while headquarters of Mazda located at Fuju, Hiroshima, Japan. Products sold by Honda are motorcycle, automobile, all-terrain vehicles, power equipment, engine, robot, aircraft, and mountain bikes. While products sold by Mazda are automobile, gasoline reciprocating engine, diesel engine, automatic and manual transmission for vehicles. Honda chose to franchise because Honda want to expand its company to other countries. Honda decided to choose franchise after becoming a successful and well-known automotive company. Therefore, the franchisee can get the recognition from customers to easily manage their business and generate revenue. Mazda chose to franchise because Mazda was described by a dealer that Mazda is a great brand to collaborate. The increasing sales every year strengthened the position of Mazda as a franchise. The advantage of Honda's franchise strategy is franchisee able to list the need and demand before agreement is signed, which shows that Honda has considered the view of franchisee. Then, Honda will provide 2-week training for franchisee to be more understand the operating system and management of Honda. The disadvantage of Honda's franchise strategy is high initial cost. Franchisee must pay at least $250,000 as an initial franchise fee. Besides that, franchisee need to discuss with franchisor before applying their own idea or concept on company, which shows that high power of franchisor relative to franchisee. The advantage of Mazda franchise strategy is their franchisee can achieve 1.7 return on sales, which higher than other brand of franchisee. In addition, Mazda will not have dealer meeting like other franchisors. They only have regional meeting every 6 months, so franchisee are more independent. The disadvantage of Mazda franchise strategy is Mazda as a franchisor hold the stock behalf of dealer, and Mazda must be responsible for any problem if stock problem occur. The reputation will be damaged if stock problem happen. The long-term prospects for Honda in franchising are expand to more highly competitive market and plan to putting more effort to against more competitors. The challenge for Honda in franchising is potential of conflict between franchisor and franchisee because every country has different rules and regulations. When companies choose to franchise to expand to foreign market, will have potential of conflict with the franchisee at foreign country, and this may harm the reputation if franchisee not adhere the standard of franchisor. The long-term prospects for Mazda in franchising are generate more interest by working with franchisee dealer and will always give them support as an approach to SME sub-100 fleets. The challenge are also the potential conflict between franchisor and the franchisee in other countries. Then, Mazda gives the right to franchisee that allow them to offer contract higher rate to their target customer, may cause ineffective manage and sales damage. That's all in my presentation. Thank you, madam.